Recent studies suggest that our solar system might harbor more secrets than we realize, with theories pointing to the existence of a distant and massive planet known as Planet X. But what if this hypothetical world were to suddenly enter our cosmic neighborhood? Imagine the impact on our solar system if such a colossal body appeared on the scene. How would its presence affect Earth and its fellow planets? What kind of gravitational disruptions and climatic changes could we expect? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating and potentially dramatic consequences of Planet X making its entrance into our solar system. Stay tuned as we delve into this intriguing scenario and uncover the science behind what could be one of the most significant cosmic events in our time. To understand the potential impact of Planet X entering our solar system, it's crucial to first grasp what Planet X actually is. The term Planet X refers to a hypothetical planet proposed to exist beyond the known boundaries of our solar system. Scientists have speculated about its presence based on observed gravitational effects on distant celestial objects, such as those in the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies and dwarf planets located beyond Neptune. According to various theories, Planet X could be several times the size of Earth and orbit the Sun at a great distance. This hypothetical planet has sparked both scientific inquiry and popular speculation. Some researchers believe that its existence could explain certain anomalies in the orbits of trans-Neptunian objects, which are small bodies located beyond Neptune. Despite these theories, direct evidence of Planet X remains elusive, and it is still a subject of ongoing research and debate within the scientific community. If Planet X were to enter our solar system, its presence would have profound effects on the dynamics of our planetary system. One of the most significant impacts would be the gravitational influence it could exert on other celestial bodies. As Planet X approached, its massive gravitational pull could disrupt the orbits of planets, particularly those in the outer reaches of the solar system, such as Neptune and Uranus. This could lead to changes in the orbital paths of these planets and potentially cause shifts in their distances from the Sun. In addition to affecting the outer planets, the gravitational effects of Planet X could also influence the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, a distant spherical shell of icy bodies surrounding the solar system. These regions are home to many comets and other small objects. The arrival of a massive planet could disturb the orbits of these objects, sending them into more eccentric orbits or even hurling some of them toward the inner solar system. This could lead to an increased influx of comets and asteroids, which might pose a risk to Earth and other inner planets. The potential impact on Earth itself is another area of concern. If Planet X's gravity were to affect our planet's orbit, even slightly, it could have notable consequences for our climate and seasons. A shift in Earth's orbit could lead to changes in the distribution of solar energy across the planet, potentially causing more extreme weather patterns or altering the climate significantly. For instance, a slight change in the Earth's tilt or orbit could result in drastic seasonal variations, impacting ecosystems and weather systems globally. Additionally, the gravitational perturbations caused by Planet X could also have indirect effects on the orbits of other objects in the solar system. For example, the orbits of artificial satellites and space missions might be altered, requiring adjustments to their trajectories to ensure their continued operation. This could complicate space exploration and satellite communications, leading to potential disruptions in our technological infrastructure. The possibility of Planet X entering our solar system underscores the dynamic nature of our cosmic environment. It highlights the interconnectedness of celestial bodies and the delicate balance that maintains the stability of our planetary system. As we continue to explore and study the outer reaches of our solar system, the potential for such dramatic events reminds us of the vast and unpredictable nature of the universe. As we consider the possible entry of Planet X into our solar system, it's important to address the question of its likelihood and the current state of scientific knowledge. Despite extensive research and observations, Planet X remains a theoretical entity. While indirect evidence suggests the presence of a large, distant object, direct detection has not yet occurred. Astronomers and astrophysicists continue to search for concrete proof using advanced telescopes and observational techniques. One of the primary methods for detecting distant celestial objects is through their gravitational effects on other bodies. For instance, scientists have observed anomalies in the orbits of trans-Neptunian objects, which led to the hypothesis of Planet X. Researchers use mathematical models and simulations to predict the potential location and characteristics of such a planet. However, until direct observations are made, the existence of Planet X remains speculative. If Planet X were to enter our solar system, its impact would not only be physical, but also psychological and societal. The arrival of a massive, previously unknown planet would capture the public's imagination and provoke widespread interest and concern. It would likely lead to a surge in media coverage, scientific discussions, and public fascination. The potential for dramatic changes in our cosmic environment would spark both excitement and apprehension. From a scientific perspective, the arrival of Planet X could offer valuable opportunities for research and discovery. Observing a new planet as it interacts with our solar system would provide unique insights into planetary formation, gravitational dynamics, and the behavior of distant celestial bodies. Scientists would have the chance to study how such a planet's presence alters the orbits of other objects and affects the overall structure of our solar system. This could enhance our understanding of gravitational forces and improve our models of planetary systems. Moreover, the potential effects on Earth's climate and weather would drive further research into how planetary interactions influence our planet's environment. Studying these effects could lead to advancements in climate science and improve our ability to predict and respond to extreme weather events. The knowledge gained from such research would be invaluable for future space missions and planetary defense strategies. In addition to scientific benefits, the entry of Planet X would prompt discussions about planetary defense and preparedness. While the likelihood of a collision or significant impact with Earth remains low, the scenario would emphasize the importance of monitoring and preparing for potential space threats. Scientists and space agencies would need to develop strategies to mitigate any potential risks and ensure the safety of our planet. To wrap up, the hypothetical arrival of Planet X could profoundly impact our solar system, from altering planetary orbits to affecting Earth's climate. While this scenario remains speculative, it underscores the dynamic and unpredictable nature of our cosmic environment. If you found this exploration intriguing, be sure to like this video, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos and join the conversation in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.